Hi everyone, my name is Graham Goddard. I am the founder and CEO of All Public Art, and it happens to be a platform for visual artists and art collectors to trade artwork. So what we are doing is we have a platform that started in 2015. And in 2015, we started development to make sure that we have artists from all around the world involved in trading art, sharing their artwork, and collectors could discover artists and so on. So my vision for this ended up being a passion, a project that turned into something way more special than I expected. We started the launch of it in 2016. In 2016, we started open beta. We have thousands of artists on the platform, thousands of art collectors who also trade art on the platform. And in 2017, we decided to open it up so that we involve the blockchain. And we have a token called the All Public Art token, which I will speak about in a few moments, which is basically designed to store provenance and data of the transactions that happen within our system, within our marketplace. And this is extremely advantageous for people who want to purchase artwork so that the transactions are secure. It's advantageous for art galleries so that the art galleries can basically track what's happening within an artist's career so that they can basically verify that this artist is ready, and auction houses as well can find out if the artwork's provenance is legitimate or not. So what we are doing at this very moment, we are spreading the word to artists around the world. We are getting the media involved. And just last week, we had this amazing event at Coachella. I don't know if you've ever heard of Coachella. It's this festival that happens every year in the United States. And we had a bunch of celebrities come out. We had a bunch of artists come out. And I'm just going to play a quick video so you can see that this is a real project with real artists behind it. We had an art gallery at this huge mansion where we had helicopters fly celebrities from Coachella into the estate so that they can see artwork, they could talk about cryptocurrency, and they could get involved in our platform. So this is a quick video. So these are celebrities from all over the world. We had Jamie Foxx with us. We had Amber Rose. We had Kobe Bryant almost made it out. This is Director X, who's a huge music video filmmaker. So the idea behind what All Public Art is doing is to involve artists from all over the world and make it a platform that can be transacted to basically empower artists by making sure that this is a safe and secure system. We want to make sure that art galleries get involved, and we have great incentives for art galleries to utilize the blockchain and this All Public Art token to make sure that they can take advantage of the data and the provenance that we are storing. We want to protect the art collectors with our system as well. And one of the major issues and the problems that we are solving is that counterfeit art and fraud is a huge issue in the art market today. And what we want to do is make sure that with the token, we minimize this issue and we raise the bar of integrity. Right now, the art market is growing in a really rapid pace at 24% per annum. This business is a $9.58 billion business by 2020. And we believe that with All Public Art and all that we're preparing between the marketing, between what we're implementing in incentives for the art market, this is going to be a really wonderful platform for all of us. The mobile app was created, as I said, in 2015. We are up and ready and launched, and please download it. It's available on the Google Play Store. It's available on the App Store. We have thousands of artworks on the platform. We have over 50 countries represented. We have people who are selling sculptures, paintings, prints, site-specific installations, and so on. And it's not just to trade artwork, it's also for people to discover artwork and discover events and so on. And we have decentralized art shows all over the world. We're having one in Los Angeles next week at another conference, and it's just one wonderful way for everyone to get involved in the art scene. There's a lot of opportunity here for us between the growing art market, between entrepreneurial artists, between the blockchain world, and we believe that with the blockchain and its transparency, its ability to, wrapping up now, its ability to help the community in terms of verification of artworks, and in terms of minimizing counterfeit art and fraud, this is something that is extremely beneficial. So everyone, thank you so much for your time. Come check us out at the booth in the back corner back there. We are allpublicart.io, and take care of yourselves. God bless. Thank you.